This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. As a nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is underway, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help get others vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain bogus kidori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and the helpline for Meghalaya are 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Altogether, 13 candidates have filed the nomination papers to contest the upcoming by-elections to 3 assembly constituencies in Meghalaya, slated for 30th of this month. Yesterday was the last day for filing of nominations. Scrutiny of papers will be taken up on the 11th, while the last date for withdrawal of candidatures is the 13th of this month. The date for counting of votes has been fixed on the 2nd of November. The by-elections were necessitated due to the deaths of sitting legislators from Maurinkneng, Rajabala and Mawplang constituencies. The East Khasi Hills District Administration in Meghalaya has issued an order under Section 144 Cr.P.C. to thwart any possible attempt or bribing of voters ahead of the by-elections, pointing out that the Model Code of Conduct and other instructions issued by the Election Commission have become operative. The District Magistrate and Election Officer Isawanda Lalu stated that the Commission has directed to check bribery of voters. The Commission has directed for ensuring the voters exercise their franchise freely and fairly without fear or inducement. Information has been received that some persons are likely to carry large amounts of cash to be used for inducement of electors, the district magistrate said. The order prohibits any person or group or persons carrying cash exceeding 50,000 rupees or gift items which are valued at more than 10,000 rupees. The BJP National President J.P. Nadda will arrive at Imphal today on a 2-day visit to Manipur. Mr. Nadda will address a public meeting at SAI Ground at Utlou in Bishnupur District. On Sunday, he will inaugurate the office building of BJP Manipur Pradesh Committee, constructed in the heart of Imphal city. The assembly election in Manipur is likely to be held in the beginning of next year. Many political leaders, both ruling and opposition, have already geared up for election campaigns in the state. The Forest and Environment Department, Government of Meghalaya, conducted a valedictory function of the Wildlife Week celebrations at Lady Hydari Park in Shillong yesterday. Meghalaya Forest and Environment Minister James Sangma graced the occasion as the chief guest. The event saw prizes being distributed to the winners of various competitions organized by the Khasi Hills Wildlife Division. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Sangma lauded the department's effort in spreading awareness about the rich flora and fauna diversity of Meghalaya. The minister also said that serious efforts are being made to protect natural systems and prevent poaching. The deaths due to COVID-19 related complications of 2 persons who were not vaccinated against the virus increased the fatality figure to 1,415 in Meghalaya yesterday. The infection of 121 persons added up to 1,326 active COVID-19 cases, even as 74 more recoveries surged the number of recovered cases to 79,542. As per data furnished by the Directorate of Health Services, 10,79,973 persons received the first dose and 5,16,170 were fully vaccinated with the second dose of the vaccine against COVID-19 in Meghalaya till yesterday. In Manipur, 128 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, while 6 persons expired due to the viral infection. None of them had taken COVID-19 vaccination. The cumulative death toll is 1,882. Meanwhile, 191 COVID-19 patients were discharged after treatment from health centers. The number of recovered cases is 1,18,141 and that of positive cases is 1,21,706. The recovery rate is 97.07%. The active case stands at 1,752. The number of doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered till yesterday is 17,53,794, including 5,24,332 second doses. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.